Now we're going to turn to a group of philosophers who are looking at a problem in metaphysics having to do with reality and change. And these philosophers are going to have very serious objections to the cosmological explanations provided by the Milesians. First one we're going to be looking at is Heracleitus. Now, Heracleitus thought that the Milesians had gone wrong completely. They were trying to talk about the permanent matter. He thought if you look around the world, everything's in a state of change. And we'll talk about that in some detail. Now along comes Parmenides. Parmenides, very influential person, very convincing person. And not only did he think that the Milesians were wrong about reality and change, but he thought Heracleitus was wrong. That is, he said change is just completely impossible. And Parmenides had a student and lover named Zeno who provided some arguments in support of him, in support of his position and Parmenides' position, that change is impossible, to show that motion, space, and time are impossible. And when you're thinking about changes, oftentimes we're thinking about changes of motion, changes of space, changes of time. But let's take a quick look at what these three philosophers have to say, because certainly Heracleitus and Parmenides have a lasting effect that we're going to see later in the semester on Plato.